Load your first stencil into the Stencil Genie and fill the Air Genie Airbrush system with blue Amerimist food coloring. Center the stencil design on the cookie, place cookie magnets around the edges, and set the airflow to low for precision stenciling. Gently airbrush the outer ring of the mandala design in blue, building the color in 2 to 3 coats. After stenciling the blue portion, lift off the Stencil Genie and repeat for each cookie that will have blue. To stencil the rest of your colors, empty out the blue, then run vodka through the airbrush until it comes out clear. Water works too. Load the airbrush with the next food coloring, then set the airflow to low to test on a piece of paper towel. Line your stencil back up and precisely airbrush the rest of the cookie design in your next color. Finish stenciling the design in the second color before cleaning the airbrush for your next one. Evenly build the color on the surface of the cookie, then lightly overlap to blend the colors together. Remove the cookie magnets before lifting the Stencil Genie off the cookie surface, then clear the airbrush for your next color. Now you have a variety of colors and 3 unique mandala cookie designs.